Cruelty-free and vegan, are they the same? Many a times the two terms cruelty-free and vegan are used interchangeably, but there's a huge difference between the two terms. And this difference you must know if you want to make informed buying decisions. So in this video, that is exactly what I'm going to tell you. The main difference between the terms cruelty-free and vegan. So stay tuned, the difference between the two coming right up. Hi my ethical angels, welcome back to Be Beautethical. If you're new to my channel, my name is Archana and my channel is all about cruelty-free beauty. I'm here to help your shift towards cruelty-free beauty easier, one step at a time. So before we move on, hit that subscribe button and do not forget to keep the notifications button on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So to understand the difference between the terms cruelty-free and vegan, we need to understand what these terms mean. So cruelty-free means that the final product or the ingredients which have gone into the making of this product have not been tested on animals at any stage during the production, either directly or indirectly by the brand itself or the supplier or any third party. On the other hand, vegan means that the product does not have any animal products or byproducts or any animal derived ingredients. So does that mean a brand or a company which is cruelty free need not be vegan and a brand which is vegan need not be cruelty free? Absolutely. You need to be 100% sure. Ask the company if you have any doubts, ask the brand, do your research thoroughly, because there are many instances where a brand which is vegan need not be cruelty free. It may not be taking care of aspects like where its ingredients are coming from, whether its suppliers are testing on animals or not. So it need not necessarily mean that a company or a brand which is vegan is also cruelty free. And similarly, a brand which is cruelty free need not be vegan. In fact, there are many brands like that which are cruelty free but they are not vegan. They sometimes have vegan friendly options but they are not vegan. So even though these two terms cruelty free and vegan are used interchangeably many a times, there is a huge difference between the two, and now you know the difference. So do your research before you assume that one thing means another, that a company which is cruelty free is also vegan or vice versa. So do your research thoroughly before you invest in a brand, unless and until you are sure of what you want, whether you want cruelty free or vegan or both. And do let me know in the comment section below if you want clarifications about any brand, whether a brand is cruelty free or vegan or both. If I know about it, I will definitely respond immediately. If I don't, I will do my research and get back to you. I hope this clarified the difference between cruelty-free and vegan. Do hit the like button if this video did clarify it, and please share it with your friends and family who might be interested in knowing the difference between the two terms. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. I will see you again very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.